Falling in love with your home is what the folks at Williams Kitchen and Bath are all about, and they are having a sale right now that is perfect for those looking for a refresh or a remodel.
Yeah, the best part, Michelle, you don't have to wait long. They have an incredible amount of products in stock and ready to install. Take a look. It is time to fall in love with your home. Ashley from Williams Kitchen and Bath's going to help us do that. Hi, Ashley.
Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you for having us out to your beautiful showroom. Falling in love with your home. I'm assuming that means we're going to make it pretty.
Well, right now is the time to remodel your home before the holidays, before families coming in, to make sure that those small projects that you've always wanted to do but didn't have the time to, we can now make that happen.
Absolutely. It's time to do it right now because this sale is big. Let's talk about just the sheer amount of cabinetry.
So what's really unique about Williams is we have thousands of cabinets that are in stock, ready to go. 7 different lines, different door styles, different colors. With a 2-day delivery, you can get your cabinets in your kitchen going in days instead of weeks or months.
And I'm assuming that is something that homeowners and people who are doing remodeling have to deal with. They have to deal with these long wait times.
Well, what's great about that is we have all the way from entry level to fully custom. So if you're looking for something a little more custom, there will be that lead time. But if you're just looking for something really nice, a quick vanity, or a small kitchen project, adding on a bar, we can get that done lickety-split.
I love that. So you don't have to wait. If you're thinking, oh, now is the time to shop so I can have it in the spring. No, you can get it now. We can get it in there. You said 2 days.
2 days. 2 business days. We can get everything delivered. We have the cabinets, the countertops, plumbing fixtures, furniture vanities where the trend is starting to go, just for that little bit of dress up.
Okay. Now, you mentioned trends. Are there any color or style trends? You said 7 different styles?
Correct. So in stock we have the 7 different styles and colors. Trends right now, wood tones are coming back, the greens are coming back, and any of our cabinet lines, some of them are just a few weeks long. So,
okay. So you got to jump on them.
Right.
Get there.
Exactly.
Yeah, get it while you can. Talk about the different styles. Name a couple. I think most people are familiar with the shaker.
The white shaker, of course, is your golden standard, very transitional. You can change it to super modern, to super traditional, depending on the hardware and the countertop and the tile that you pick out. But then we also have some wood tones, a little bit of a detail in the door style itself, which will fit anybody's style.
I love this. And not only cabinets. Obviously, cabinets are a big part of this sale. But we're talking, you mentioned these vanities. What are furniture vanities?
So the furniture vanities tend to have a little bit more design towards the bottom of the cabinetry. It just adds a little bit. It looks more than just your basic square box that's there. And we have a few different styles that we keep that gives it just a little bit more.
Yeah, and for those who want that added touch, right?
Exactly.
That little added extra special touch. And I absolutely love the fact that you can have a fireplace anywhere in your home with these plug-and-play fireplaces. Talk about these.
So we have 3 different styles of fireplaces that we keep in stock, a few different styles of the fireplaces themselves, and they're plug-and-play. You can put them anywhere. If you have a spot on your wall and you wanted to get a little bougie and put it over your bathtub, you can stick it on the wall like a TV. If you wanted to build it out and have that mantle, but you didn't have it built with the home, you can add that Boyd build-out kit, and bam, you have a mantle, you have the fireplace, you have ambiance.
I'm sitting here trying to picture hanging a fireplace on a wall like a TV and trying to picture that in my mind. I really want to see what that looks like. It's the name brands. Let's talk. People, they're looking brand shopping from time to time. I know you have Cabnova and some others.
We have 15 different lines of cabinetry. We brought on a lot of cabinetry. So there's Smart, Kitchen Compact, Green Forest, Homecrest, Cabnova, Kitchen Craft, Omega, Woodland. Probably a few more that I'm forgetting, but we have it all.
All right, they really do. And now, as we mentioned, is the time. Fall in love with your home. It's the fall sale at Williams Kitchen and Bath. And as you heard, you don't have to wait that long. Are we missing anything? I think we've covered so much.
I think we have everything with the biggest sale of the season. It only runs until November 15th.
All right, you got to get here soon. Williams Kitchen and Bath. And as you heard Ashley mention, their Fall in Love with Your Home sale is going on right now. To see what you could be saving, just head to their website, williamskitchen.com.